Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing the Carbon Addicts new carbon fiber mirrors, mirror caps that they just came out with, and yeah, we're going to get them installed, so let's check it out. So here they are. They have a more aggressive style, so they kind of come up towards the window a little bit, which is pretty cool. I had these on previously, which were just some really cheap, just carbon stick-on caps, and yeah, we're gonna get these on there and get a little more aggressive. So I already took mine off, my previous one, and I just kind of alcohol wiped this down. If you didn't have one on there, you should probably clean it really good just to make sure it sticks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick mine on. This will be quick and easy. I added a second piece of tape right here. It's just personal preference, just kind of get a little more stick. So let's get it on there. So I loop it around the front here, and then you can pretty much just snap it on there. And there they are. Got the new mirrors installed. Really like how these look on the car. They look so much more aggressive. That's it. I got the carbon fiber mirror caps on. They're done. Quick and easy, double-sided tape, nothing crazy. Just make sure you clean your surfaces or prep them. Again, my surfaces were a little bit dirty looking because I already had carbon mirror caps on, so they were already, I alcoholed them down, good to go. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate everybody who tunes in and subscribes to the channel. So we'll see what's next.